Okay, we are performing a sewer scope inspection at 11030 East Wesley Place in Aurora. Today is Thursday, March 20th, and it's approximately 1:30 in the afternoon. We are accessing the main sewer line through the cleanout access located in the basement utility room, right here just behind the water heater. And we intend to run from this point all the way to the tap out in the city main line in the street. So the water we have running here is from the basement bathroom sink, and we're just doing that to make sure that we have good flow in the line and also to keep the camera lens clean. So right here, as you can see, we're making a transition from the cast iron pipe to this black ABS pipe, which is nice. This is still underneath the basement floor, so they have replaced some of this, the main sewer line here under the basement floor. Nice to see. So as you can see, we transitioned right back into cast iron, so they likely did a repair in the basement floor in the main sewer line. But right here at about 33 feet, we're making a transition from the cast iron to what looks like SDR pipe. This is likely just outside the foundation wall, and looks like a good transition. You can see it's slightly offset. But they don't glue these pipes together, obviously, because they're dissimilar materials. So what they do to join these together is they have a coupler, a rubber coupler that fits on the outside of both pipes that clamps down on, and so it's not unusual to have a little bit of offset there. In this case, the offset is at least the direction that we would like it to be, so that the water flows down over the edge. I don't see this being a problem at all. This is very common. So we'll continue on through. I believe now we're outside the foundation wall. Well, as you can see here, we make a transition from the SDR pipe to what looks like ABS pipe. But here at this joint, obviously, we have some significant root growth coming in. And because of the root growth, that would indicate to me that they did not use a proper coupler on the outside of this joint to join these two pipes together. And that can cause problems in the future, because as water leaks out of the pipe at this joint and into the soil, it can cause movement in the soil, which consequently can cause movement in the pipe. And that could cause problems for the future. Obviously, the root growth in here is a problem as well, because that can cause blockage. I believe that this needs to be corrected by a qualified plumber to make sure that this is not going to be a problem in the future. So again, it looks like we're making another transition back from ABS to SDR again, and this joint looks to be good. Looks like we're lined up, and I don't see any root growth coming in here, and so that would lead me to believe that they have that coupler on the outside here properly installed. So here we are at 105 feet. This is the tap into the city main line out in the middle of the street, and it looks like the tap is good here. So with the exception of that one area Right near the cleanouts, it has the offset and significant root growth. The rest of the line looks like it's in good shape. I do recommend having a qualified plumber take a look at that and make corrections there at that point.